This video will teach you how to delete a board on Pinterest. Open the Pinterest website, go to www.pinterest.com. Pinterest makes it easy to delete one of your boards, but the exact process will depend on whether you are using an iPhone, Android, or computer. Click on your profile icon. This is the person-shaped icon on the top right corner of your web page. Click Saved. Find a board you wish to delete. Click on the gray colored pencil icon on your selected board. This option is at the bottom of the board's icon. Click Delete. It's in the bottom edit window. Click Delete Forever. Doing so will permanently remove your selected board from your Pinterest page. You can delete secret boards the same way you delete your regular boards. The only difference is that your secret boards will be at the bottom of your screen rather than grouped with the rest of your boards. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.